The video presentation of the 2008 Haas VF-3 Super Speed. Does have through spindle coolant. Obviously, it's got a 4th and 5th axis on it. This is an HRT 160-2. I am running the spindle right now. I'll crank it up. Does have the remote jog handle. We'll go ahead and jog it around. Let's go ahead and move up a little bit here. X sounds good. Let's do Y. It also has probing. I do not believe it has a probe head, the wireless probe. We're looking for that, but it does have the probe receiver and everything. We're going to find out about that. And then the Z. Okay, doors open. Maybe this should turn the... We're good there. We're going to do a simulated tool change. Saying low air pressure, so try that again. Yeah, for some reason I can't get the air. Go ahead and try the does have the chip auger is running. Does have the high intense lighting. Got the 40 station pocket with tooling, so all the tooling that's in here will come with. Through spindle coolant, like I said. This is the inside of the electrical cabinet. Actually reversed phase, so that's probably why it's not working. So I just want to make note of that. It does have the manual and it has a USB port on it. This concludes the video presentation of the 2008 Haas VF-3 Super Speed.